Mas Alker, good afternoon, magandang tanghali, buenas tardes. Now I'm at the Taal Basilica and just finished with the Comas Arena. Well, ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan ko sa Quiapo. Beside from my childhood favorite, yung Hopia. I remember that time that madami talaga mga Pilipinong bumabatak sa road nito and they give such devotion just as the patron of this basilica, San Martin. So there it goes. And medyo nagsisimula yung pagdating ng mga tao, so I have to finish this all till then.